This is a beautiful 2009 Hyundai Santa Fe, regularly maintained and family-owned in excellent condition. With new tires from 2016 and brakes recently serviced, this is a great deal. There's lots of legroom up front for those long trips and a great stereo system for all your journeys. Rolling in at just under 200,000 kilometers on the odometer, this SUV has many more kilometers left to go. This vehicle comes with a sunroof for those beautiful days, a big back seat for the little ones, pets, or for your sports gear, and a large trunk space for everything else. We have receipts for all recent maintenance and a Carfax report. We are happy to meet at your mechanic or ours. This wonderful ride is ready to drive you and your family around in style. So, if you are truly interested, give us a call now and arrange a test drive.